Hey guys, in this video we are going to checking out the top 5 best electric bike review in 2023. I made this list on my personal opinion and our research. I have a list of them based on their quality, feature, durability, price and more. If you want more information and updated price on the products mentioned, be sure to take the links in the description down below. Also make sure you subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay update latest technology reviews. So let's get started. Number 5. Zhangbouquet 6 Foldable Electric Bike. This electric scooter frame made high-grade aluminum alloy for our bike frames, which reduces their overall weight without sacrificing their strength and toughness, producing a frame that weighs only 49 pounds and can carry up to 286 pounds. This electric scooter provides 500-watt high-speed brushless gear motor, long life, and high performance, and maximum speed 50 km/h. It has visible 48-volt 12.8 amp-hour removable IP54 waterproof lithium-ion battery, fully charged in 6 hours. This e-bike is capable to achieve 45 km in full electric mode and 70 km in pedal assist mode. Removable battery, convenient to bring home or office to recharge. This bike provides Aliexpress double disc brake. It's simple to get on and off this powerful step-through electric bike. The front and rear mechanical disc brakes provide excellent stopping power. The intelligent LCD display keeps track of real-time speed, battery level, pedal assist level, mileage, and other stats. This electric bike provides 20-inch diameter roller. The outer tube adopts 4 layers of anti-piercing thickened materials, which is difficult to pierce by sharp object. The aluminum alloy integrated wheel has high hardness, strong resistance, wear resistance, and puncture resistance. Number 4. Ittotada H20 Pro Electric Bike. The Ittotada H20 Pro Electric Bike using light and strong aluminum alloy collapsible frame. You can have it with minimal storage space and easily store into any vehicle. This electric bike 1000-watt high-speed brushless gear motors and 48-volt intelligent brushless controller. It can easily assist you to travel at top speed of 57 km/h. This bike provides 48-volt 17.5 amp-hour removable lithium battery, maximum electric range 45 to 50 km, and assisting range is maximum 70 to 80 km. Enjoy your electric fat tire bike across the city, cross countryside, mountain area, sand beach, snow road, anywhere you like. This bike equipped with LCD display, so you can check the riding data more conveniently, such as speed, battery level, odometer, and soon you can also switch the pedal assist level according to the road condition. This electric bike provides high-sensitive mechanical disc brakes, front and rear disc brake system, effectively reducing the braking distance. This e-bike using 20x4-inch fat tires, front and rear disc brakes fully protect your safety. You can ride on downtown, around rocky roads, sandy beaches, snowy suburbs, and even urban jungles. Number 3. Ride66 R8 Electric Bike. The Ride66 R8 electric bike for adults using light and strong aluminum alloy collapsible frame. You can have it with minimal storage space and easily store into any vehicle. This electric bike provides 48-volt 800-watt high-speed brushless silent motor. It continuous high torque output effectively saves energy and increases battery life. Make the motor run at high speed with less noise and maximum speed 50 km/h. This electric bike has used 48-volt 15 amp-hour lithium-ion battery. It can be charged at any household outlet, on or off the bike, and charging time 4 to 6 hours. The electric bicycle has 3 different working mode, as like electric mode 50 km, assisted mode 70 km, and normal mode 90 km. This bike visible double disc braking system, adjusted according to the braking force. The double disc brake system brakes instantly, making the ride more comfortable. Safe stop on any terrain to keep your ride safe. The bike visible LED display visualizes your riding data, providing your navigation with more confidence and fun, and equipped LED headlight, suitable for safe cycling at night. Good operation feels, responsive wear-resistant anti-skid tread, and high-quality shock absorber to help you ride faster. The electric bike using 20x4-inch fat tires, front and rear disc brakes fully protect your safety. You can ride on downtown, around rocky roads, sandy beaches, snowy suburbs, and even urban jungles. Number 2. Ridgestar Winner Folding Electric Bike. The Ridgestar Winner Folding Electric Bike frame made aluminum alloy. It's adjustable stem, seat, and frame. It allows different sized riders to use the fat tires e-bike easily and improves overall cozy when riding on rough terrain. The electric bike provide 1000 watt DC brushless high-speed motor and maximum speed 50 km per hour. This fat tire electric mountain bike comes with 48 volt 14 amp hour battery and could be taken out to charge. 4 to 6 hours for fully charging. Powerful motor drives the speed up to 30 miles per hour. It's perfect for daily commuting and cruising around the city. The electric bike offers 3 riding modes, as like pure electric, electric assist, and pedal. It has a maximum speed of 30 miles per hour in pure electric mode. The bike can travel up to 37 to 56 miles, which may vary depending on the rider's weight and the road conditions. The electric bike provide front and rear disc brakes system. This folding electric bike will reduce bumps and offer more comfort during your ride. The high-quality dual disc brakes make your cycling safer. It comes with a multifunction LCD screen and high-brightness front light and is 90% pre-assembled. It also puncture-resistant 20x4-inch fat tires provide stable grip and well for snow, beaches, rough mountain roads and more. The disc brakes provide greater stopping power for precise and instant braking for safety even in wet weather. Number 1. EKX X20 Electric Bike. The X20 Electric Bike frame made aluminum alloy. This makes the bike lightweight yet very sturdy. This electric bike provide 2000 watt brushless variable speed snow motor, rare earth permanent magnet DC brushless, external rotor hub type motor. Motor internal basically maintenance free, with fast response, high speed, smooth rotation, stable torque etc. This electric bike 48 volt 20 amp hour lithium battery, removable battery, to meet different charging needs. 4 to 6 hours per charge with a range of 60 km. 3 riding modes, as like electric only, pedal assisted, and only pedal mode. This bike 20x4-inch show fat tires, puncture resistant, non-slip snow tires are suitable for all kinds of roads, combined with magnesium alloy one-piece wheel design to provide excellent traction and superior shock absorption. Allows you to ride freely on the beach, mountain, snow, city, etc. It also double-shoulder hydraulic shock absorbers with scientific and effective shock absorption measures minimize vibration and make the ride smoother. Hydraulic oil brakes provide precise and instantaneous braking even in wet weather. These reliable configurations create a comfortable, confident riding experience for you. This adult off-road electric bike is equipped with diffuse LED dual lights at the front and rear for safe riding even at night, and intuitive LCD display that shows speed, battery level, distance traveled, and faults.